Do you want to learn how to make Minecraft fudge? Well, I guess that's why I clicked on the video. Well, today we're going to show you how to make Minecraft fudge that only requires 3 ingredients. Hey everyone, I'm Mara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Before we start, if you like Minecraft, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button because we will make more Minecraft desserts in the future, some you may have not even seen before. Alright, to start off, let's get a saucepan. And we're going to add 5 ounces of condensed milk. And 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's put it at medium heat. And we're going to get a spatula and mix this until it's fully combined. So after about 2 minutes, our batter is pretty thick, as thick as we want it to be. And we're going to put it into our container. Okay, so we have our fudge out of the freezer. It's been an hour. And let's just take this off. Alright, let's cut our fudge. Alright, let's cut it into cubes now. Before we get into the next step, we were wondering if you could like this video. We've put a lot of effort into making these videos, and doing that will help these videos spread to more people. So thanks. Okay, so we have some powdered sugar here that we colored green, and we're just going to use this to make the grass for the Minecraft block. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day challenge. Also, if you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely like the videos to come, as we're going to be making similar things like this. But that's it for now. So, click here for our last video. Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series. And if you would like, subscribe right here. And we'll see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.